Okay, this is a Foxtroter gelding, JLS horse training. Then for a 2-week tune-up, a little bit of fixer-upper on him. Got him on a neck rein back, side pass. Stand when he's told to stand, which was a big one. He's got a lot of arena history, and which kind of lacks some of the basic manners on the ground and from the saddle. Got him going through mud, water, going all the way down the trail, learning how to walk instead of doing his running walk all the time.
This summer be another one that you don't dare wear a swimsuit? Well, this summer, not only are you going to fit into that swimsuit, but Midwest Weight Control will guarantee you're going to lose weight. Hi, this is Jody with Midwest Weight Control. We're going to help you get into those smaller summer clothes this year with 3 simple things: rapid weight loss, weekly support, and convenient, delicious medical-grade foods. Call today and you can lose up to 50 pounds by June. There's no more agonizing about what you're going to eat. It's all structured for you and really is tailored for your life. At Midwest Weight Control, failure is not an option. You have my word on that. I can't wait to help you get back into those cute clothes again. You deserve it. Wondering about cost? Your program will average about $7.10 a day over the course of the entire program, and that includes your food. Plus, don't forget your tax return, your flex plan, and we even offer interest-free financing for a whole year. No matter what, we'll help you figure it out, and that's our promise to you. So see yourself in that swimsuit because it's going to happen. Call me at 258-5040. That's 258-5040, or go to MidwestPromise.com.
Sick of the same old salads? Be bored no more, and grab a bowl of Bold, Taco John's new salads. Try the Chipotle barbecue chicken salad, crunchy chicken, black bean corn salsa, and bold jalapeno ranch, or the crab-apple chicken almond salad, crisp apples.
Now we're going to do some obstacle work outside.
Attention, if you and your family are struggling to stay above water with your mortgage, the American Mortgage Assistance Center can help. Call 800-630-00.